Aviary Bagels. A totally blind will try to challenge the world of YouTube. Disability is not a burden, but a challenge. It's not an obstacle, but encouragement and motivation. It's not about differences, it's about inclusion. Please join me face my challenges. Help me inspire the people to be positive. Let me be your light, and you be my light.
This is sushi konnyaku. Another Japanese food. Lumalabas lang to. Itong sushi konnyaku every summer. Para to sa mga no calories, no carbs diet. No calories, no carb diet. Alit yata yung pagkakagupit ko. Yan. Sushi konnyaku naman to. Ibig sabihin na sushi, sariwang konnyaku. Konnyaku is only a Japanese food. Kalimitan na nakikita nilang konnyaku, square. Every summer, meron kaming tinatawag na sushi. Oops, mali pala ang aking pwesto. Ito naman ay sushi konnyaku. Nalagyan natin siya ng sauce. Hindi ko matanggal, kaya ito na lang. Kasi yung gunting ko. Ayan. Ang nakuha kong sauce na to, ito ay layu, sauce na toyo na mayroong parang sa Chuka restaurant na sauce. Yun. Kaya nga, may goma. Meron siyang goma. May sesame. Goma is sesame. Konnyaku is a Japanese food. Para siyang mix ng iba't ibang klase ng no carbs, no calorie food din. Anyway, hindi ko alam ang ingredients ng konnyaku. This one is, ayan, every summer, lang ito lumalabas, kaya you can have the chance to eat sushi konnyaku kung gusto mo mag-diet at magpapayat. Lalo na, nagsimula na ang ating, ano ba ito? Quarter year, o half year, simula na ng mga Kenko Shindang general check-up dito sa Japan. Kaya we need to be conscious with our health. Okay. Sushi konnyaku. Sarap. Sarap is oishi. Delicioso. Oishi. Kahit everyday mo itong kainin, walang problema. Naging malasa lang siya because of the goma sauce. So, if you're in a hurry, napakadali, bubuksan mo lang yung plastic, tapon ang sabaw, lagyan ng sauce, and then eat. Itadakimasu. Why konnyaku is very good for the health? Siya po ang naglilinis ng intestine namin. So, no carbs, no calories, maglilinis pa ng intestine mo and very good for the health. Thank you so much for watching.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you for all the support and love. Sharing our videos, likes and subscriptions are highly appreciated. We are glad to receive feedbacks and comments too. See you all again in our next video.